friend, if you are not completely surrendered to Jesus, your effort of being here for restoration will be a waste. So before we get connected to the real restoration prayers, which is going to take about 5 minutes, you are here, you are not completely yielded to Jesus, or you were with him and you have taken leave like the prodigal son did. You have the opportunity of returning to source while all eyes are genuinely closed. If you are in that category, put your left hand on your chest and lift up your right hand and say, Father, have mercy on me. Cry that cry. Say, Father, have mercy on me. Father, have mercy on me. As many as are here, whose hand are lifted up, repeat after me. Father, you are the God of mercy. You are extraordinary in everything. By reason of this meeting, I am convinced that you are the master restorer. Have mercy on me. Restore me to the original fellowship. Restore me to the best of fellowship. Restore me to my original glory. In the name of Jesus Christ. Heavenly Father, I join my faith to as many whose hands are lifted up. I decree that as they have asked you, Lord, have mercy over them. Amen. Restore them. Amen. Walk with them. Amen. Move with them. Amen. In Jesus' mighty name we pray. Amen. 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 For as many as have prayed that prayer, please endeavor to see the pastor. Please don't miss this opportunity. Endeavor to see who? To see your pastor. It might not be today. It could be tomorrow. You just tell him that, Pastor, I was one of those who lifted my hand up. The pastor will tell you something that will be the key to your movement forward. Amen. In the name of Jesus Christ. Amen. This unique opportunity will not pass you by. Amen. In the name of Jesus Christ. Amen. So before we go ahead to pray the general prayer, I am led to minister to a group of people. You are in the house and your glory has been lost in one way or the other. Maybe your own glory, which was lost, is the fact that although God said we should be fruitful and multiply, but in your home, in your marriage, you are not seeing the evidence. Can you please come forward? You are trusting God for the fruit of the womb. God says there will be no barren in the land. I am led to pray for this group of people, while the rest of us will lift up God as we take this on. Wá bá mi pàdé o Baba. Wá bá mi pàdé o Baba. Ènìyàn kì wá sọ́dọ̀ rẹ kó lọ lé lófo. Wá bá mi pàdé o Baba. Wá bá mi pàdé o Baba. Wá bá mi pàdé o Baba. Ènìyàn kì wá sọ́dọ̀ rẹ kó lọ lé lófo. Wá bá mi pàdé o Baba. You are worthy, oh Lord. Worthy, you are worthy, oh Lord. Invisible God, a miracle worker. You are worthy, oh Lord. Invisible God, a miracle worker. You are worthy, oh Lord. You are worthy. You are worthy, oh Lord. You are worthy. You are worthy, oh Lord. Invisible God, a miracle worker. You are worthy, oh Lord. Invisible God, a miracle worker. You are worthy, Baba. You are worthy, oh Lord. You are worthy, oh Lord. Invisible God, a miracle worker. Invisible God. set of people I am led to minister to are those who are trusting God for residence permit. If you are one of those, come forward. The Lord gave us the promise that wherever the sole of our feet shall step upon, we will possess it. So the issue of rejection is not your portion. Amen. But if you are not satisfied about what the power of God can do, you can as well remain where you are. So will you now please join your hands together? Join your hands together. Join your hands together. Form a network. Join your hands together. Please make sure your hand is joined to the hand of somebody. Father, in the name of Jesus Christ, amen. I join my faith with the faith of your children here in this auditorium. You have promised us that where 2 or 3 are gathered in your name, there you are in their midst. Amen. And you have given a promise that once we seek you, we will find you. Yes. You said once we knock, you will open. Yes, Lord. Therefore, Lord, we seek you this day on behalf of our brethren, yes. Trusting you, Lord, for a stay in this land. Yes. Any issue reflecting rejection, we reject it in the mighty name of Jesus. Yes. I stand as a prophet in this house this afternoon to come against every rejection. Yes. And we jointly reject every spirit of rejection. Amen. In the mighty name of Jesus Christ. Amen. You will stay in this land as long as you want to stay. In the name of Jesus Christ. Amen. And in this land you will flourish. Amen. You will excel. Amen. You will achieve great heights. Amen. You will serve God. Amen. In the name of Jesus. Amen. Through you, many will be blessed. Amen. Through you, this nation will be blessed. Amen. Through you, the nation of your origin will be blessed. Amen. Through you, your family will be blessed. Amen. And through you, the church of God will be blessed. Amen. In the name of the Father, Amen. Of the Son, Amen. And of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Testimony will begin to unveil. In the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. In Jesus' mighty name. Amen. I only want to pray with the people trusting God for healing. Because healing is the children's bread. And the scripture said, our father said he cannot give the bread that is meant for the children to the dogs. So somebody that is not a child of God is considered as a dog. So why then that which is our bread be given to another faith? Why are unbelievers living healthy while we are in pain? If you are trusting God for healing in any way, or maybe you are standing in for somebody, come forward. There is power